I just love this floor plan that we're in right now. This is the 2,156 square foot model of Arcadia homes, which are common in South San Jose. And it's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. And what I love is all that is on one story. So it's just a really nice open plan for a big family. Welcome to 102 Park Sharon Drive. This is a beautiful house in 95136. It's in the Berry Park neighborhood. We're just steps away from Cottle Park. This is just a gorgeous house in a gorgeous area. It's been completely remodeled from top to bottom. We're talking brand new bathrooms, a brand new kitchen, all high-end materials. We have shaker cabinets, we have Corian countertops, all brand new stainless steel appliances, and literally it's brand new. Nothing's even been used. You know, as I was saying, in addition to just being a beautiful house, I love this floor plan. One of the things I like is that it's really open here in this room that I'm in right now. You have the family room, which is right off of the backyard, all connected to the kitchen, which is open with a beautiful breakfast bar and an informal dining setup as well. Just really great and amazing for entertaining. This backyard is beautiful. It's very peaceful. In addition to that, it's super low maintenance. I mean, it's almost no water required whatsoever. It gets great sun exposure, but not too much in the afternoon. On top of that, this is a 7,000 square foot lot, which is slightly larger than the average for this neighborhood. So these bathrooms are also both remodeled. I really like that they use modern features. We've got marble countertops, nice cabinetry. This is a really cool shower door. I really like it. And the same thing in here. We have really nice countertops, nice flooring. Everything's been redone from the shower to the toilet to all of the other features of this bathroom. So it's brand new, like a brand new house. And here in the primary bedroom, we actually have 2 separate closets, which is pretty cool. In lieu of a walk-in closet, you just have 2 separate. Not to mention, this is a very large bedroom, and I think it gets a lot of light from the backyard, which is quite peaceful. You know, the other thing about buying a house, whether you're buying a house in San Jose or you're buying a house somewhere else in the country or the world, you're not just buying the property itself, you're buying the neighborhood. You're buying where you live. You're buying the proximity to shopping and so on and so forth. And this is one of those neighborhoods that kind of has it all. You're really close to shopping. There's Oakridge Mall, Whole Foods, and Trader Joe's are all within a very short driving distance, literally walking distance to one of San Jose's largest parks, which is called Cottle Park. It's 252 acres. It's absolutely massive. You're sandwiched in between the light rail and the Caltrain, both of which take you not only to downtown San Jose, where Google plans to build its largest U.S. campus, but also to the Peninsula, where all the tech giants that the Silicon Valley is known for reside. You know, another thing that's often overlooked when buying a house is what I call capital upgrades. These are things about a house that cost a lot of money to do, but aren't really the sort of eye-catching things like countertops and appliances might be. So in this house, those capital upgrades that have been done for you already are central air conditioning, a newer roof, and double pane windows. Really, really good upgrades that don't show as far as prettiness is concerned, but definitely are a huge upgrade in terms of how much money they cost. In addition to the remodel that makes this house beautiful, the inspections are very clean as well. So this is a move-in ready type of turnkey property. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video presentation of 102 Park Sharon Drive in San Jose. We appreciate your time. And we also want to let you know if you have any questions about this house in particular, or really any real estate in the Bay Area or the country, please feel free to give me a call. You can text me or call me at the number that's on the screen, and I'd be happy to hear from you.